Can magnets be used for dent removal? This is a question we get quite often, so we'll take a closer look. First, we'll look at how magnets can be used to remove dents from brass instruments. The idea is simple. The dent is sandwiched between a magnet and a steel ball. As you move the magnet back and forth, the steel ball is attracted to the magnet and slowly pushes the dent out because of the attraction between them. But will this actually work? We'll make a large dent in the bell of this trombone. Pretty decent sized dent.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely shows up on camera. Using a large steel ball and a really strong 1.5" neodymium magnet, we'll attempt to remove the dent. We put a paper towel under the magnet to avoid scratching the finish. As the magnet is moved back and forth, we also pull on the magnet a little to try and pull the steel ball into the dent.
I would say,
After just a few minutes, the dent definitely got smaller. It's still there, but maybe that's okay because the majority got removed.
Kind of see right there. You can kind of feel it. There's a couple of them.
We found that the material thickness and the location of the dent really makes a difference. In the tuning slide of this trombone, the material is a little thicker than on the bell, and you can only fit a small steel ball inside. This means less pull force to the magnet as well. We were not able to remove the dent in this portion of the instrument. What about a dent on your car? Can you use a magnet to pull it out? We'll try to answer this using a large piece of sheet steel, rather than risk denting one of our cars. Again, the answer depends. The pull force you get from a magnet depends on what it is attracting to. You'll get less pull force to a thin piece of steel compared to a thicker steel plate. This shows true here. The magnet we are using has a listed pull force of over 350 pounds, but we're able to pull it off of this thin steel pretty easily. There just isn't enough force to pull out the dent. If there is a large, shallow dent in the hood of a car, maybe a magnet could work. Maybe. Otherwise, you have to resort to using other methods. We tried the steel ball and magnet method here too, but the steel dramatically reduces the magnetic force to the steel ball, so it wasn't strong enough at all. For more information, check out our blog article. The link is below. Thanks for watching.